Hi, Regina here. I want to talk about why it's so important to be resilient during your journey towards your success and goals in life. It's a very important term within personal development, to be resilient. Uh, English is my second language. I'm based in Stockholm, so I speak Swedish. I have this dictionary. I bought it many years ago in London, but it's very good since it's also words in Latin, and it kind of helps me to get the depth to understand the words more accurately. Being resilient is able to spring back to a former shape, being elastic, able to recover from setbacks. Resilience means in Latin to jump back. So, being resilient means that you are more elastic, you kind of bounce back, you don't give up that much, you don't give up at all. You jump back or you bounce back. I'm much about creating a plan, customize a plan for you, your personal plan for the upcoming 5 or 10 years, how you want your life to be. It's much about decisions, everyday decisions, but also to act according to this plan to take you where you want to go. That's a whole another video in depth about how to create a plan. I also have coaching options about that. But when you that's why many people don't even start, since they know that there will be difficulties along the way. So they think that it's not possible because I can't manage all that pressure. I will doubt myself. I will give up, since I've given up before with the goals I've had in my life. So, but that's the main thing. If you have a plan, you know that you have some goals along the way, that you will celebrate, you know where you're going. A plan will also help you to act according to your plan. But you know that there will be obstacles, pitfalls, setbacks. It's never a straight line to success or progress. It's kind of a bumpy road. So, but if you know that there will be setbacks, and then this awareness of that within personal development and personal growth, there is a term called being resilient. Then you kind of, okay, that means that people have had, that is a part of the journey, kind of trust the journey, since there will be setbacks and pitfalls and failure. And it's also kind of how you view failure. That is also another video. But if you know that there will be setbacks, and it's part of the process, and you have to trust the process. And if you are resilient, you're more elastic, because sometimes you can also kind of end up on the wrong path, the wrong journey, kind of a dead end. Then you need to, okay, this will not work, since this will lead me away from my plan. So I have to make adjustments to come back from this setback, and kind of to jump back on the right track, so to speak. And to view setbacks as part of the process is also something, okay, what can I learn from this? That's very important with, since it's always part of the journey, the setbacks, how you will view those setbacks. You will gain enormous energy from it, since it will, or strength, it will give you strength, since you will be able to conquer it and kind of to manage it. It will give you the self-confidence, it will give you a proof that you did this, you managed this, you were resilient, so you won't give up. And you also will know with previous setbacks that you have conquered, you will know, okay, if I throw this all away, if I give up, then I kind of